Here is the Toyota CHR. In order to access the license plate lights over there, we need to open up the hatch. So let's go ahead, open the hatch, and right over there are two separate access panels for the two separate license plate bulbs. For that you will need a flathead screwdriver, and we'll put it right in that slot over there in the corner, and then we'll pry the panel out. Use a screwdriver, pry it out like halfway through, and then just grab it and then pull it out the rest of the way. Now just for reference, I'm sitting inside the car in the cargo area and pointing the camera from there. Now we need to get the electrical connector out, so press down right there where I'm pressing with my thumb and slide the connector out. This just gives you a better grip on the bulb holder to twist it left. Sometimes it gets stuck in there, so it may take a few seconds. Just twist it left a little bit and get it out. To get the bulb out, just grab it and pull it out straight. Sometimes it gets stuck in there, and now you just have to get your screwdriver and use that to pry the bulb out. This bulb is already damaged, we're just trying to replace it, so don't worry about damaging the bulb. And this is going to take a few seconds because if your bulb is stuck in there, it just won't come out easily. So be patient with this, but eventually using the screwdriver the bulb is going to pop out. The bulb size is 168 or 194. Check the link in the description to buy the new one from Amazon, and then put the new bulb back in the bulb holder and push it in. When you put it back in, this is what you have to notice. You see how it's sitting in flush? It's not sticking out, it's just lying flush in the light. That's what you want, and it may take a few seconds of twisting and turning before it just drops in like this. At this point, just twist your right a little bit to lock it, and then put the electrical connector back on. It only goes on in one way. And now all you have to do is just put this panel back on and then press it down to secure it, and you're done. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.